Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of November, in the year 2024. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.56. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.01%. This translates to an average return of 0.4% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. Over the next 3 months, the existing trend points to a potential change of approximately 2.24%, with possible returns ranging from negative 3.24% to positive 4.72%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 32.76% over the next year, with potential returns between 14.72% and 38.22%. This translates to a projected price range of $267.16 to $321.87 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple highlights that the stock price increased by 1.31% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, Apple's stock price rose from $229.87 to $232.87. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.53%. Moving from a low of $229.74 to a high of $233.25. Notably, the price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 3.85% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 43 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 76 million shares exchanged for approximately $17.690 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $237.49, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 1.95%, or $4.62, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc., symbol AAPL, continues to draw attention as we approach the holiday shopping season, with predictions of nearly $1 trillion in consumer spending. This surge in holiday sales could significantly boost Apple's sales figures, particularly in its lucrative services segment, which has shown sustainable growth. Analysts remain optimistic, highlighting Apple's strong financial foundations with over $108 billion in free cash flow and a consistent history of returning value to shareholders. However, recent challenges also loom. Indonesia has deemed Apple's $100 million investment proposal for an accessory plant inadequate, potentially hampering the launch of new iPhone models in that market. Additionally, Apple's ongoing regulatory struggles in India, where it has lost a bid to postpone an antitrust investigation, could create operational hurdles. On the geoeconomic front, CEO Tim Cook's third trip to China this year underscores the importance of navigating trade policies, especially in light of potential tariffs and changing relations. This strategic move aims to fortify Apple's supply chain amidst the uncertainty. The convergence of these factors suggests that while Apple's strong holiday performance could drive short-term stock price gains, its long-term outlook remains tied to its ability to innovate amid regulatory challenges and market dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. a rating of underweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned Apple Inc. a rating of hold with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Apple Inc. a rating of underweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Apple Inc. a rating of neutral with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple Inc. a rating of neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The Apple stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. However, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. If there are downward corrections, support will be found at $228.79 and $228.94. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 4.89%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new peak pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, the stock experienced a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique configuration. Such occurrences are rare and are typically followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 17 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 132 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is regarded as quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.51 between its highest and lowest points, which is approximately 1.53%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $233. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $229. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.628. Overall, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $220.92, representing a 5.13% decrease. This stock demonstrates very low daily movements, which contributes to a low-risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that this might be an opportune moment to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable possibility for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 92 cents, starting off at $231.95. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.